Hi, Alex.
Hey, Sarah. How are you today?
I'm good, thanks. How about you?
I'm doing well too. Did you enjoy the math class today?
Yeah, it was okay. Math can be a bit tricky sometimes, but I'm trying my best.
I totally understand. Math can be tough, but practice makes perfect. Do you need any help with it?
That's nice of you to offer, Alex. Maybe you can help me with fractions later?
Of course. Fractions can be tricky at first, but once you get the hang of them, they're not so bad.
Thanks, Alex. You're a good friend.
No problem, Sarah. We're here to help each other. By the way, have you seen the new library books?
Not yet. Are there any interesting ones?
Yeah, there's a great adventure book I think you'd like. It's about pirates.
Pirates? That sounds exciting. I love adventure stories. I'll definitely check it out.
Awesome. Let's go to the library after school and get it together.
Sounds like a plan, Alex. What's your favorite kind of book?
I really enjoy science fiction. I love imagining the future and all the cool technology.
That's cool. I haven't read much science fiction, but maybe you can recommend one for me.
Sure thing, Sarah. I have a few in mind that I think you'll enjoy.
Thanks, Alex. You're so helpful.
No problem, Sarah. That's what friends are for.
You know, I'm still trying to improve my English. Do you have any tips?
Well, one thing that helps is reading books and talking to people in English, just like we're doing now.
That makes sense. I'll keep practicing. Thanks for chatting with me, Alex.
Anytime, Sarah. Just remember, the more you practice, the better you'll become.
I'll keep that in mind. See you after school at the library.
Definitely, Sarah. It's a date.
Great. Looking forward to it.
Hi, James.
Hey, Emily. How's it going?
I'm good, thanks. I'm excited to watch the soccer game. Are you a fan of soccer?
Yeah, I love soccer. It's so much fun to watch and play. Do you play soccer too?
Not really. I'm more into swimming, but I enjoy watching soccer games.
That's cool. Swimming must be a great sport too. Have you ever tried playing soccer?
No, not yet. It looks a bit challenging, but maybe I'll give it a try someday.
You should. It's not as hard as it seems once you get the hang of it. Plus, it's a great way to stay active and make new friends.
That sounds nice. I'll think about it. By the way, who's your favorite soccer team?
I'm a big fan of the local team, the Eagles. They're really good.
Oh, I've heard of them. They have a strong reputation. How are they doing this season?
They're doing pretty well. They won their last game, and their star player, Jake, scored a goal.
That's awesome. It must be exciting to watch Jake play.
Yeah, he's incredible. Do you have a favorite player in any sport?
Well, in swimming, I admire Michael Phelps. He's won so many gold medals in the Olympics.
Michael Phelps is a legend. His dedication and hard work are inspiring.
Absolutely. So do you come to the sports ground often?
Yeah, I try to come here on weekends to watch games or play with friends. It's a great place to hang out.
I'll have to visit more often. It's a nice place to enjoy the outdoors.
Definitely. And if you ever decide to try soccer, let me know. I'd be happy to teach you some basics.
Thanks, James. You're very kind.
No problem, Emily. Friends help each other. Enjoy the game.
Thanks, James. You too.